Hello friends, this is about East West Institute of Technology, and this is the college. I reviewed the fees structure yesterday, and this is the continued video about its placement. So I am going to cover the branch wise placements for each of the branch with cutoff, and this is the college address in case you want to reach for admission process. I will directly start with the placement detail. So this is the information collected from their mandatory disclosure document. You can see on the top, and also you can see the branch is computer science and engineering, and if you see last 3 years cutoff is also mentioned here. So you can see the intake is 180 seats, and cutoff last year in general category was 33,290, right? You can see here. And the students placed in the last bench for the computer science engineering were 133. So 133 students of CSC out of 180 were placed. So close to around 70% placement happened for computer science department. And the average package in the last column you can see 4.5 lakhs. Similarly, you can see the placement for all other years also. And so last year 133 students were placed, but before that year only 48 students were placed, and before that only 32. So placements have increased suddenly in this year, which is 2022 passing batch, right? Now going for the next branch, which is information science and engineering. So you can see here again, for this year the total intake capacity again was 120, and the cutoff for general category is 43,727 for last batch. You can see here, right? And the number of students who got placed is 77. So 77 students out of 120 got placed with the average salary of 4.5 lakhs per annum. And previous year 52 students were placed. So this year it was increase in the placement, and previous year only 31 students were placed. So it is showing good trend in information science also, similar to your CSC department. So you can read on your own, and these are the two best options to study in this college: computer science engineering as well as the information science engineering. Now moving to the third branch, right? Electronics and Communication Engineering, ECE. Again, you can see here total number of seats are 180, right? And the cutoff marks for ECE in the last round was 59,667, and the number of students out of 180 who got placed is 53 percentage, right? So 53 percentage out of 180 seats will be close to 100 students. So 100 students got placed, because now it has given percentage placed, not the actual number of students. So 100 out of 180 students got placed, and the average salary you can see 4.5 lakhs per annum, right? And 53% this time students got placed. Previous year only 48% students were placed of ECE, and previous to previous year also 46%. So it clearly shows the percentage of students placed and the average salary. Average salary is most of the time is remaining same, around 4.5 lakhs, right? And let's move to next branch. So this is EEE, which is electrical and electronics engineering, right? So you can see seat capacity is only 60. So there are only 60 seats in EEE, and a number of cutoff marks was 80,675. So if your rank is 80,000, 70,000, then you can take this. If the student placed is only 26, so 26 students placed out of 60. So you can consider 40-45% placement has happened for EEE, and the average salary is still lower. It is only 3.5 lakh average salary. So better you skip this option, right, and go for computer science and ECE in another other college. Now going to the next option, which is the mechanical engineering. So again you see mechanical engineering has the strength of 60 students, but 60 students intake is there, but actual admissions which happened is only 8 students. So not even all the seats are filled, right, in this batch. But in the previous to previous year batch, it was filled more, right? So if you see the students placed, 15 students were placed. The students who joined in 2018, right? 2018 students who joined, who passed in 2022, 15 students were placed. Average is 3.5 lakhs. Again, you can skip this branch. Don't take mechanical in this college. Now coming to the next branch, which is civil engineering. So civil engineering, again 120 seats are there, only 7 students took admission now. So people are not taking admission now, but previous year 20 students were there. Previous to previous year, you can see 38 students took admission. So admissions in these branches are reducing, so don't take civil in this. And 29 students were placed, right, who were joining in 2018. Those students got placed in 2022, and 29 students with the average of 3.5 lakhs. So again, this is not a good option. So only take up to EC in this college. Thanks for watching, and that's all a placement wise update from EWIT. Take care and bye.